everyone, it's Stampy here, back with another video. Well, today, we are gonna do a hide and seek challenge, yay! Yeah, say hi, everyone, hi. I'm Emily, yeah, Squishy, say hi.
Hello, Squishy, Squishy.
Alright, Squishy, we don't need your annoying, stupid voice on me. What? Shut up. And so, we're gonna do a side quest, I think. So, yeah. So we're just standing here for no exact reason at all. Where's Keen? Can you tell us why we're standing here? And tell me my lines. Well, while I talk to you, okay? We'll edit that part out. Alright, so what you're supposed to say is that, I don't even know, that you're gonna, kill Minecraft, so yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna kill Minecraft, alright guys, so, let's hide up here. Let's pretend to be one of these boxes. Okay. Alright, so let's just be here. We'll pretend to be here. So I don't know if you guys know, but we are almost gonna hit 10 million subscribers. Stampy, I don't care if you're gonna hit 10 million subscribers. I only have 1,000 subscribers on my channel, and you have almost like you have 8 million. So shut up, Squishy. You don't have to edit that part out. He's so rude. So, oh, this was a key. Oh my god. This was a key. Okay, guys, we have to be very quiet. We don't basically to notice that we're here. Alright, let's just go around and be stupid like this. We're gonna have to edit that part out, so yeah. Jesus, I hate being a stupid kids YouTube channel. I was on a kids YouTube channel thing. Ugh, I was a star of it. Ugh, I hate kids so much. Ugh. Oh my god, guys, oh my god, I'm so stupid, guys. I'm so stupid. I just fell down. Oh no, Squishy was first. Stampy. Alright, let's guys, so Wizard King just went away. Like Squishy was found. Okay, and she's right there. Ooh. Okay, so Lexi who's trying to go on this aisle. And so guys, so as all of you know, I'm gonna be quitting YouTube because I got a lot of comments on my video about laughing like that, and yeah, I get a lot of comments from people's moms, like kids' moms, saying, "Oh my god, he's killing all the boxes," saying, "Oh my god, those kids are laughing like you," and now they're starting to have a seizure and die. So that's what I'm gonna be quitting my YouTube channel for as long as ever. I'm gonna quit it I'm gonna quit it in about 4 months. I'm killing all the boxes. I hope they don't find me up here. Right. Oh my god! Mini Muaka's coming up here. Oh, no! Now I'm the seeker too. Alright, let's try to find any boxes up here. Alright. I found Emily! I found put Emily. Oh my god. Now she's all over the place. Choo Choo Gaming.
Oh, hi, Stampy.
Oh, hi, Squishy. Yeah. Okay, so we have Emily Choo Choo Gaming, and yeah. Your game mode has uploaded to adventure mode. Alright, updated actually. Step 1, I am the seeker. Count 10, start hiding. Alright. So I don't know if you guys know this, but everyone stop here. Okay guys, so I'm the seeker now. I am ready to do this, guys. Alright, so let's try to find no. Okay, I passed 10. Okay, look. Now let's look. That's so obvious. They have the shovel. That's so obvious. It's one of them. It's so obvious and funny. There's one. Haha, there's one. So funny. They're trying to get away from. Come on, come on. No, get away. Get away, get. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, get over here. Get over here. Oh, come on. Come on, Choo Choo. There you go. Choo Choo was found here. Amy. Oh, this is not Emily. Lucky WQ was found. I wonder what these blocks are called. Oh, Wizard Keen. Can you tell me what these blocks are called? For my lines? Alright, so they're called just boxes. Oh, okay. I wonder what these boxes are called. Oh, they're called boxes. Let me know this, you know. Oh, come on, I'm trying to kill. Oh, there you go! I got dragon! I got dragon! I got dragon! Stampy! Don't even try to find me. Ah, come on, Stampy! Are you kidding me? Come on! I was right. I told you not to find me, and then he just found. But that was so funny. Sorry guys if you sound like a zombie. That's just my laugh. So. Haha, I see a box right there. There we go. Now I'm gonna punch you. Haha. Haha, mini mark. That's what you get for finding me. Ha ha ha. And I hate it when you hit the blocks. It makes you have a blindness effect, like literally. So stupid. Come on, Squishy, go find some more people. Amy Lee is actually hiding good. Right now, she is. You never find me, ha ha ha. Yeah, sure, I never find you, idiot. Freaking lad. Not a lad. Shut up. Oh, come on, I was found. By not you, Stampy. Well, that's at least good. So much people on the server. Alright, so guys, let's see. Alright, so one more game. Oh guys, I forgot that you can't have your audio on. Okay, guys, turn off your audio so you won't hear us, okay? Okay. Okay, so now, everyone's quiet. That's such an idiot. Like, everyone is like hiding. Let's see. Where do I hide? Where do I hide? Right here would be fine. Yeah, right here. Alright. So, where do we go? Up here would be great. Okay, next side. Alright guys, so next side. Oh no, there's a... Oh, I put the fireworks there. Lucky is right next to me. I hope he doesn't find me. Okay, there we go. Nothing goes, because Lucky is right next to me and I heard... Mini Walker was found. Guys, sorry, my laugh is horrible. Jesus, Xbox 360 controller sucks. Let's just hide there. Okay. Oh my god!